Virgo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ang reading na to is about your future self. Ayan, so titingnan natin ano yung parating sa inyo. This is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, tinan natin ano yung timeline nyo, Virgo. Ano yung timeline para sa future self ng mga Virgo. Okay. Let's see. 2 years from now. Ayan. So, for Virgo, this is your future self 2 years from now. What are the energies, please? You have Canas. This is Yera and Dagas. So, you are going to focus on yourself. Sarili mo naman ang iintindihin mo. Hindi naman kailangan 2 years from now yan, no? But, maaaring magkakaroon ka ng realizations of the things na kailangan mo ring i-prioritize. Hindi lang ibang tao, hindi lang service to others, but also service to yourself. Kaya, kailangan rin na pagtuunan mo yung pansin yung iyong kalusugan. Okay? You have Canas. Canas is about your passion. So, 2 years from now, maaring meron kang ipupursue na passion project mo. Like, yung mga bagay na gusto mo talagang gawin, i-explore. This can be a new hobby, no? Bagong libangan, bagong trabaho, na kung saan naka-align yon sa creative talents and skills mo. And Canas is also about growth, pag-unlad, okay? So I'm seeing you growing your career, growing your business, growing your finances. You also have Yera. Yera is about harvest, rewards, no? So maaring meron kang mga nasisimulan ngayon na 2 years from now, maririp mo na yung rewards. Kumbaga, ito na yung panahon ng pag-ani. Anihan na, kumbaga. So, whatever this is na gagawin mo, can be a new business, career, or a venture, or a creative project mo, ituloy mo lang yan, gawin mo lang yan, as long as you are passionate about it, kasi makikita mo yung resulta niyan 2 years from now. Para sa iba, isipin nyo, ay, ang tagal naman. Ibig sabihin niyan, you are doing something great, you are doing something na malaki ang ano niya, balik sa'yo. Kumbaga sa puhunan, namuhunan ka ng mas malaki, hindi mas malaki yung kikitain mo doon. 'Di ba? Yung return ng investment mo. At ang investment naman natin, hindi lang yan sa pera, sa negosyo. We are also investing our energy and time, resources sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. 'Di ba? So, let's see what else for Virgo future self 2 years from now. Virgo 2 years from now. See, this is your energy, someone na established sa buhay, maaring meron kayong ma-achieve na certain goal pagdating sa finances nyo. Yung iba, mas marami kayong ipon, mas maraming mga bagong kagamitan sa bahay or mga maipupundar. Yung iba naman, magkakaroon kayo ng magandang estado sa inyong trabaho at career. Wow! You have the Chariot. This is about success. So, talagang aarangkada ang career, trabaho mo, or negosyo mo. Maari ring meron kang major decision na gagawin 2 years from now. Na maaring meron kang bagong direksyon na tatahakin. Or this can be a new job, career, or opportunities na gusto mong subukan. You have the 4 of Swords. This is about healing. Kung meron kang mga kailangang ayusin sa kalusugan mo, 2 years from now, maayos mo yan ng hindi ka na mamomroblema. Oo. Wow, you have the 10 of Pentacles, financial stability, financial security 2 years from now. If you are single, maaring magkakaroon ka ng romantic relationship 2 years from now. Kung ikaw naman na may relasyon na, may karelasyon na, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng agreement. This can be a marriage proposal or magsasama na kayo ng person mo. Kasi the Ten of Pentacles is about a happy family na kung saan natutugunan nila yung kanilang pangangailangan. Lalo na sa finances, mga pangangailangan nila sa pamilya, resources, ganyan. Some of you, kung meron kayong mana, no? Maaring meron kayong inheritance na matatanggap 2 years from now. Look at that. 9 of Pentacles. The Emperor. You are going to be very successful in your business. Yung iba sa inyo, this is self-employment, no? Yung tipong wala ka namang business pero meron kang wala kang boss. Wala kang boss, ginagamit mo yung knowledge, talents mo, skill set mo to create money. Ayan o, you're very creative. Mag-venture ka sa business dahil sa creativity mo. People will help you out as well. Yung iba, meron kang, parang may, i-recognize ka sa iyong contribution sa isang field or society or community. Pay attention sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo kasi I'm seeing here na you may experience, maaring ma-experience mo ang betrayal sa isang taong pinagkatiwalaan mo. So, set boundaries, wag mong hayaan na iti-take advantage ka or tipong laging ikaw lang yung bigay ng bigay. Yes, tinan mo, protect your energies. Ang problema rin kasi nito minsan kapag yung nag-set ka talaga ng boundaries, ikaw pa yung masama, 'di ba? Ikaw pa yung nasabihan nila na ay bakit naman ganoon? Nagbago na siya, arte-arte na niya. Hayaan mo sila that is your energy, 'di ba? So kailangan protectionan mo 'yan. Magiging malikot rin yung iyong imagination. Marami kang maiisip na mga bagong ideas that will help you achieve new heights. So kumbaga parang mas magi-improve yung situation mo sa career or sa business mo. Some of you naman maaring magkakaroon ng isolation wherein magfo-focus ka sa peace and harmony mo, lalo na kung meron kang ika-cut off na person sa buhay mo that is, that can be toxic sa'yo or parang hindi ka na nag-align yung paniniwala nyo or pananaw nyo sa buhay. That's why you are cutting off this person. You will also focus on yung mga importanteng gawain sa bahay. Like, for example, kung dati hindi ka mahilig sa pag-aayos ng bahay mo or yung pagde-decorate, ganyan. I feel like 2 years from now, you will be more hands-on in keeping your house, no? Maaring mas magiging active ka sa pagde-design or pagbili ng gamit, pagsasaayos ng bahay mo. Let's see what else. You will be appreciated. Maaring meron kang idea, creative idea na parang ang energy nito is isa kang inventor. Meron kang maiimbento. Or meron kang magiging trendsetter ka or meron kang ipapauso na magiging trending. This can be sa business or sa fashion, ano man yung hilig mo, and you will be admired by a lot of people. Magiging very busy ka na marami kang pupuntahan, i-explore, you will be invited sa mga iba't ibang events to speak, to share your skills, your knowledge. Oh my God, sovereign. You are the queen of your life. Treat yourself like royalty. So, maaring merong authority, sense of authority, or like a certain higher position for you 2 years from now. You will also have a lot of choices, no? Mga opportunities sa'yo. Worry less about the right choice and more about being strong enough to handle any outcome. Yes, minsan kasi hindi tayo makapili dahil mas marami tayong opportunities. Kung alin yung uunahin mo, ipaprioritize mo. So, you don't have to worry about it. Ang isipin mo is bigyan ka ng kakayanan, abilities para ma-handle kung ano yung magiging outcome nung choice na pinili mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.